Hello, my YouTube family. Igor here to talk to you about SMCI short-term prospect. Why I'm bullish on SMCI for the short-term perspective. If you like my content, please subscribe, like, comment, and let's get in the chart to see what I'm talking about. But before that, let's talk about the catalyst for next week for SMCI. So, if you look on the screen, the NVIDIA GTC conference is next week. So, NVIDIA will be, SMCI will be presenting on a lot of their new technology and also the business direction. So, if you see here, SMCI will be talking about the RAD scale liquid cooling solution for AI training, which will be featuring the NVIDIA HBX B200 and the NVIDIA GB200. Also, they will be presenting on the AI optimized system and new form factors for distributing production AI production inference model across data centers to edge environment. So there will be showcasing a lot of their technology. So here you can see a lot of the stuff that SMCI will be presenting on. So due to these catalysts, I'm pretty sure SMCI will be, moving up. SMCI, and this will be this is a 1 week chart, right? We will be looking at two different chart. We'll be looking at the 1 week chart, and we'll be looking at a 4 hour chart, right? And on the 4 hour chart, you see I have the ranges and the price called out. So if you see SMCI being in the decline from the time that the report came out, kind of the allegation on some of the stuff inside the company. But SMCI came out and they got a new accountant, and it shows that there was no price manipulation. So from there, they were able to file the financial statement, and the price came off the lows and started to move back up. So we were in this channel, descending channel, right? And then we broke out of the descending channel, and we went up. It went up last week, and then it came back, no, a few weeks ago, and then it came back to support. If you see this, the descending channel, the top of the channel, and you take this line is a support, you can see that SMCI came back to the same support, and that same support was a resistance before the price broke out here, right? Let me zoom in so you can see. So here, this same price was the resistance, and then few weeks later it broke out to reach the $123, and then it started to come back down. When it got out of this channel, descending channel, it actually came back. When it failed to move up, it came back into the same support that was the resistance previously. So what am I seeing in a chart? There is a catalyst next week, so I'm looking at the chart, and I'm seeing that the RSI is at the 50, so that means the market hasn't decided which direction it's going to, but we'll see. Also, we can see that the MACD is kind of coming back above the zero line, so that kind of tells us that it's bullish in the short term. Long term, it's bullish. So we'll wait and see if the if the MACD come back above the zero line. And now let's look at the short term bullish case that I'm making here. So here you can see same case. The SMCI came back to the support, but you can actually see that it made a higher lows here. When it got out of the channel, it made a higher lows, and it came back at support. So you know, the RSI is at the 50 line. So if you pair on the technicality, if you pair that the RSI being at the 0 line and the 12 EMA right here, the 12 EMA is my blue line, and the price is above the 12 EMA, it kind of tells you that there is a bullish momentum in the short term. So the bullish momentum case that I have here is the MACD is coming back up to the 0 line. You can see that here the distribution, it's kind of curling back up, not quite there yet, but we broke off the downtrend on this. We broke off the downtrend, and we're moving back up. So and if we look at it, the price closed at above the 20 EMA, and it closed above the 12 EMA. So this is bullish for me. And with the next week catalyst, I think SMCI will have a squeeze. But for that to happen, we need to break out of the $45 dollar line, right? So the $45 level. So here you can see this is the resistance we hit and came back down. I think last week. So now, if we go above, if we blow through the $45 level, we should be getting between the 50 and 55. That's my prediction. We should be getting between 50 and 55. So when do I take profit? I'll take profit if it blow past the 45 and it's at the 50. Once you get, my first take profit will be at 50, and my second take profit will be in between this zone. I will take at 52, 53, and my last take profit here will be at 55. So if it's keep going up, then I will wait and see where that price goes, right? But that is my prediction for next week. So, but in case we lose that, then we have to come back to this level, and that 35, 38 will be our first support if we fail to continue. And if we broke that, then if we break that, then we can see prices at a low around $30. So you can use my chart, add it to your research, and chart your own chart, and put your levels, and make sure that you trade what you see in the chart, not what you think the price is going to be, and we should be fine. So also keep in mind that FOMC meeting is next week, and that might throw a wrench in our price prediction. If you like my content, please subscribe, like, comment,